This is a piece of cedar, got a hole drilled in it. This is a cedar limb. This is a sawed off base of a moose antler, a small moose antler. Got some sandstone here for grinding. This is a buffalo hide pad. And I have a moose antler for striking. I'm sitting on a piece of wood in a chair, and I'm going to put this wood up under my knee and find a comfortable spot. I'm going to go up to a bigger moose antler. Just want to thin this down a little bit and test this setup. That was a nice thinning flake. I'm going to try to get a big flake here and remove this. Yeah, just right. Got a nice circle in here. Okay, look around for some places to hit. Yeah, nice big flake. Yeah. All right. Can trim a little bit for the freehand percussion. And then punch some. Got a ridge to run here. Let's see. Maybe I can come up through here. Yeah. Nice. Okay, I have a nice hump here that needs to go. So you prep this edge a little bit. Okay, I've made a little platform here. Try to run this hump here. Look at that. Big, beautiful flake there. This flake will make a nice arrowhead. That was a great thinning flake right there. Need one through here. That one didn't go as far as I wanted. Let's see if we can go through here. Should be able to go right through there. You got to get a comfortable spot. Whew. Nice big flake there. Still got our little circle in there. This nice vein in here. Okay, let's get a couple more big flakes. Okay, let's see if we can come across here and remove these hinges. Just right. For that one, there's a bit of one here. We can get in a little while. I'm going to try to get one here. Nice. should take some time to make isolated platforms, but I'm just hitting on continuous platforms for now, just for speed. Nice big thinning flake there. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'm just going to stop there. I just wanted to take the spall and thin it down and make a nice big blade for a future project. So I was just testing out this punch system. I'm basically sitting on this cedar limb and I have this cedar wood piece here up under my knee to hold it in place. Then just find a comfortable spot on your knee. Thank you for watching.